go after Fulani terrorists. What she said is repeating what PM said. When PM formed Biafran Liberation Army, DOS was accusing him the same thing that you are saying now. That, our Fulani are killing our women and men. The Fulani is busy doing donation to form his gang to kill our people. That was the word they're saying. And PM said that these people don't understand what they're doing. That in international community, you don't tag Fulani people as they should leave your land. As a nation, Fulani is a nation. They're one ethnic group. You don't say let them leave your land. If you say that, it simply means that you are trying to commit genocide. That what you should do is to call it what it is. People like you in Bridge, is telling Fulani people live our life. If you say that international law, because PM is law-abiding citizen, he knows everything, like what you're supposed to do, when you're supposed to do it, and how you carry it on. You don't pretend that you are telling Fulani to leave your land. What it simply means is that you are trying to commit genocide on an ethnic group. That Fulani herdsmen should leave is different from Fulani people to leave your land. COS repeated the same thing, telling you that you don't tell Fulani to leave. What you say is that terrorists in our land. And she actually went further to repeat what PM said in the past, which is you don't need to waste time chasing them when you know people that they enable them to do what they're doing. Why? That's why I asked you the question. 2013 January to 2013 December, did you see any Biafran Liberation Army chasing cow in the bush? The answer is no. Why? Because they were busy going after people that enabled them. That's what PM said, yo, and that's what CS is trying to tell you as well. If you begin to talk about chasing cows, that means you are trying to join DOS, not even Bridge. Biafran government, if you want to chase cow, that is what DOS are doing even now. They will look around and see where there's no police, no army to fight them back. They will go after cow and people that are carrying cow in the bush. I have some videos even in my WhatsApp group, my WhatsApp channel, where they're chasing. This one happened just last month. They were busy chasing cow. DS is that what they're doing. So, but people in the Bridge, in the Biafran government, is trying to Biafran government in exile. They are trying to use that to confuse you, because I can see that you are watching from homeland. So probably maybe you don't have enough data to watch all the videos. You just pick people that you watch. But that's not how to do, my brother. All this thing you are saying. Listen. Listen, man. I'm not done.
My number. I based in Italy here.
Okay, you based in Italy and you are something like this. Wow. Are you close to Chiamaka Jerry? Because maybe he baptized you.
No. See, okay, now my brother, I told you I normally follow you. I'm just telling you the truth. You and Emmanuel Remedios, I can't stay one day and not listen to you. Because that time, I like the way you hit DOS. You hit them with fact and figure.
Okay, I hit DOS. But listen, but the person that told you that US is married to Fulani is the one telling you that she's the only one that fought DOS. So you remember that I actually made a video about DOS then. Oh, but I thought you are the YEC in France is bragging that she's the one that fights Jews and bring them to Daniel. That's a story for another day anyway. What I'm trying to tell you, listen, Fulani people, hold on. Fulani people that we're talking about, not all Fulani are terrorists. I hope you know that. People that are doing what they're doing. No. If you want to, listen. If you say Fulani to leave your land, that is not the right thing to say. Okay, that's not the right thing to say, because you are not building a country.
I didn't say all Fulani. I mean,
when you say Fulani, what do you expect? Anyway, my brother, let me answer another call. Okay, hold on. Let me answer another call. Thank you for your time. Thank you. God bless you.
Wait.
Hello.
Hello, my brother Kai.
I see you.
Triple M.